In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive and interactive accordion component in Figma. Start by opening the Figma website and heading to the file or page where you want to build your accordion. We'll begin with the content. Select the text tool, adjust the size to something clear and readable, and type your first question. This will be the title row of the accordion. Directly beneath it, add another text layer and type the answer. This gives us the two basic pieces we'll use for the open and closed states. Next, open the Assets panel on the left. From your available libraries, locate a simple chevron icon. Choose the downward pointing chevron, drag it onto your canvas, and resize it to match the height of your question text so everything feels balanced. Now, select the question text and the chevron together. Group them so they act as a single header row. With that group highlighted, right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. This will keep the spacing consistent and make the header responsive as you resize. If needed, tweak the spacing and padding so the text and icons sit neatly on one line. With the header group selected, look to the right sidebar and click Create Component. This promotes your selection to a reusable component. In the component's properties, click the plus icon and choose Variant. You'll now see a purple outline and the first variant. Click the purple plus to add another. Select the first variant and name it Close. Then select the second variant and name it Open. These two variants will represent the two states of the accordion. You can keep your structure consistent so switching between variants looks clean. Create a simple rectangle nearby on the canvas. Think of this as a placeholder area where you'll place and preview your accordion component in context. Switch to the Prototype tab. On the first variant, use the circular plus handle to create an interaction that connects to the second variant. This sets up a change from close to open. Then select the second variant and add another interaction that connects back to the first so it can toggle from open to close. Choose an on-click trigger and a change to action. Adding Smart Animate can help the transition feel smooth. Return to the Assets panel on the left and drag your new accordion component into the rectangle you created. Finally, click Present or Preview to test it. Click the header to switch between the two states and confirm the interaction works as intended. You now have a responsive, interactive accordion component ready to reuse and scale in your designs.